Hey guys, this is your Bocomal Flame Resistant or Fire Retardant large cotton shirt. These things are, like I said, are flame resistant and are really excellent shirts. If you're the outdoors type guy, or maybe you're that winter guy that's out there on the ranch or farm, or you're working a plant, or you're a welder, or you're in the shop and you just want to protect your arms, Bocomal has a really nice line of shirts. Now this one here in particular is kind of a charcoal gray with a red trim on it, but they have many different types of shirts, and one in particular that I really like is one that I don't have a picture of now, but it is the one that has the air pockets in the back, like your fishing shirts do, to allow temperature to come in and go back out the back of the shirt, which makes it a lot cooler to wear. Now these things are fantastic, man, if you're working out on the ranch. Keep you cool when you need to be cool, keep you warm when you need to be warm. I personally like to wear a t-shirt underneath mine to absorb some of the sweat if I'm really hot out in the hot area where we are here in South Texas. We're currently around 100 degrees. Hey, Bocomal is the way to go. Now let's get this out of the bag. I've got an extra large and I have a large. Let me show you what they look like out of the bag. I will also mention one thing for sure that you want to keep in mind, that these shirts run a little bit large in size. I did get a extra large, 2X large from the vendor that gave me this shirt, and this is a sponsored video, and I must mention that before we go any further. But just because they gave me this shirt does not mean that I'm going to give them a favorable rating. I base my reviews off of the products themselves. I don't care if they give them to me free or not. But these do run large, so if you wear a 2X large, just get you a large instead. Now this shirt here is the 2X large, and it's a Bocomal. It is the same shirt that was in the bag that I previously showed you. And if you look at it real close, it's really a well-made shirt. The fabric is cotton. Let's read off the tags here. It says Bocomal. Let me go ahead and put this on a tripod, and I'll get you some better information from it. The Bocomal tag, and it is UL certified, a safety US MH64814. And you got a little certified products tag here, and it's just a really thick little piece of plastic. This tells you the garment type, closure type, uniform shirt, button front closure, denim jeans, zipper front closure. That's the types of products, certified products. Hoodies would be that, polo shirt with buttons, etc. Now you go here, fire resistant. The fiery FR clothing will provide the necessary protection against flash fire and short duration thermal. It also provides a Cat 2 protection against electrical arc flash. Now guys, that's what I mainly use the shirt for, is I do a lot of welding, and I do actually starch them out a little bit heavier to get the beads to roll off of them. It's not necessary. I have seen some people actually put a torch on these things, and it takes a while for them to ignite. They will not continue to burn, but you may see a brown spot actually on the material itself. Made with treated fire resistant cotton, fire resistant buttons, and soft fabric, and comfortable. Same thing on the back here, standards, NFPA 2112-2023, standards on fire resistant garment for protection of industrial personnel against flash fire. Now you see what it says? It says flash fire. It does not say a continual fire. NFPA 70E, accordance with ATSM F1506-2018, arc thermal protective value. And they've got an online store to buy these shirts from. This is where I guess you tear the product, and this is extra button for it. I really like the material. The material is really nice. Now let's see what it says here. Same thing, flame resistant. Got the same information here that it has over there, certified. Look for the UL mark for details. And this is really cool. This is Velcroed on here. So you can actually change the flags, or you can change it to whatever emblem you want on here. I can see Velcro. That is a little additional plus on that. Now if you look down here at the sleeves, I do like the sleeves. Very well made. Stitching is great. Very few loose ends at all. Double button, so if you've got a thin wrist, bring it into the second one. If you got a fat wrist, take it into the first one. You've got another one here if you want to open the sleeve up and roll it up on your arm. Release that one there. Interior, oh boy, here we go, we got more. certification tag, available sizes, chest, sleeve, and inches. So if you're small, it's a 42 on the chest and a 23 on the actual sleeve itself. Now myself, I did tell you earlier in the video that these shirts do run quite large. They're one size larger than what you would probably wear in most cases. I'm a pretty good sized guy. I am 235 to 38 pounds. I'm 6 foot tall, and I normally wear a 2X large shirt. But in this situation, I would wear a large. My chest is 51, my sleeves is 25. So the first number is your chest, the second number is your sleeve. So if you plan on ordering one of these Bocomal shirts, make sure that you order a size, probably one size smaller than what you would normally wear. Like I said earlier in the video, and I may have said it wrong, but let me correct myself. If I did, I wear a 2X large, so I would wear an extra large instead of a large. Now, you see, I'm a big old boy. And they do fit me very well. I love the way the sleeves have the adjustment on them. Everything else about the shirt is really nice. The back will be all one color. These things, the one I normally wear over and over and over that I like so much, I wear this thing when I'm welding. I wear it in the winter months whenever it's really cool. Put a t-shirt underneath it. I don't even need to wear a sweater or a jacket or anything on top of it unless it gets down below 30 degrees. This thing's also really great in the summer months. Down here in South Texas, close to the McAllen, Texas area, when it gets up to 107 degrees, I put one of these things over the t-shirt, and the t-shirt wicks up the moisture, and then the shirt stays dry, and it keeps you pretty cool at the same time. They also have not only the flame resistant t-shirts, they've got flame resistant work shirts, hoodies, FR line jackets. All these FR stands for flame resistant. Viz. They've got pants, they've got accessories, and they have coveralls. So they have a lot to choose from. As you see here, this guy's welding away there. Look like with a spool gun. They've got the 6 ounce, they've got the 7 ounce, 6.5 ounce. They've got a wide variety of different shirts here to choose from, guys. So you need to check out the website. There's too much for me to even mention. Many products that they have that you probably need or you've been looking for and you just never could find. But Bocomal, very good company, really nice products, testimonials at the bottom of their website. Need I say any more? I think it's very and I think they also offer free shipping there on all US orders. So hey, that's a big plus. As you well know, today's shipping is very high, so that'll save you a few bucks there as well. Let's look at the top of the website here, where safety meets style. Bocomal, they got a loyalty program, contact us button, about us, and a home is right there. Guys, now we got a shirt on. I'm not a supermodel. This is what it looks like on me. As you see, I'm a pretty good guy. Pretty good guy. These shirts are one size larger than advertised. So make sure you take that in consideration whenever you get ready to buy one of these Bocomal shirts. Also, remember they have many different types of shirts, from t-shirts, pants. Just check out the website. You'll see a full list of different types of clothing. Now, I did not do a burn test on these, however, I did look at somebody that did one of these on YouTube, and they could actually put a fire to the shirt, and it did not catch fire. You see the brown spots in it where it was trying to ignite, but it did not burn. Now, look at that's the left side. That's the right side. Keep in mind, I'm about 238, 240. I'm 6 foot tall. After you wash these one time, maybe they will shrink up a little bit, but I do not like this. It's a little bit too much for me. Now, the extra large would have been probably much better for my size. But if you want a little baggy fit and you're gonna run a t-shirt underneath it, then this might be what you need. Bocomal. I consider them to be one of the #1 shirts out there on the internet for a flame resistant or flame retardant shirt. Bocomal. Get you one.